Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morniship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an English class for the student of class nursery students. Our today's topic: making words with the following letters A to D. Look at the board, my dear students. This is class nursery and your subject English and your topic making words with A to D and your term half yearly 2022 and your lecture number 8 and your homework number 5. And this is your teacher's name Sonia Joya. This is my mobile number and this is today's date. So my students, let's start our today's topic. Subject English and topic making two words with the following letters A to D. Again I am saying making two words with the following letters A to D. Again I am saying making two words with the following letters A to D. So first letter A. A for apple, A for ant. And my dear students, you have to write two words each of every letters. A for apple, A for ant. A for apple, A for ant. B. B for ball, B for bag. B for ball, B for bag. B for ball, B for bag. C. C for cat, C for cat. C for cat and C for cat. D. D for doll and D for dog. D for doll and D for dog. D for doll and D for dog. Again I am saying A for apple. Apple is a fruit. And ant. A for ant is an animal name. B for ball. Ball is a name of a playing things and bag. Bag is a thing. We use bag when we will go to school. C for cat. Cat is the name of an animal. And C for cap. Cap is also our using things which we wear on our head. Number D. D for doll. Doll is also a name of playing things. And D for dog. Dog is also a name of an animal. So again I am saying A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bag, C for cat, C for cap, D for doll and D for dog. Again I am saying A for apple, A for ant, B for ball and B for bag, C for cat, C for cap, D for doll and D for dog. Again I am saying A for apple, A for ant, A for apple, A for ant, A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bag, B for ball, B for bag, B for ball, B for bag. Then C. C for cat, C for cap. C for cat, C for cap, C for cat and C for cat. And our last letter is D. D for doll, D for dog. D for doll, D for dog. D for doll and D for dog. And my dear students, this is our today's topic and homework number is 4. And make two words with A to D. So this is your homework topics. Again I am saying this is your homework topics and your homework number is 5. Again I am saying your homework number is 5. And my dear students, you have to mention homework number. You have to mention homework number correctly. You have to mention homework number correctly. So your homework number 5, making two words with A to D. Homework number 5, making two words with A to D. And I am saying homework number 5, making two words with A to D. So this is our today's topic, my dear students. So this is today's topic, my dear students. See you again inshallah.